Respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh,
Happy
oh,
Sunday,
oh.
beautiful people. So welcome to a brand new vlog. We are heading out on the road to just run a little errands. We just have what, 2 errands to do. We need to collect some packages, like 6 packages. That's a lot. And I need to go to the bookstore to print some documents. No, I have a printer I had, but I don't have any ink. I need to do better. I need to buy some ink. So I need to add that to my list eventually. Yeah, I need to get some ink because that's bad. My printer just sit on unplugged, not doing anything. And I want to print something now, and then I have the ink on me, I have to print it. But eventually we're gonna start that out. The documents, I really need them for next week, but if I'm going on the road now, why not just sort that out now? And my packages, and I need to go to grab some saltfish. I need to go to the supermarket because I'm currently on a little diet, mini diet-ish. Well, I would call it like a no rice diet. I haven't had any rice for like 5 days. I am super glad about that. Do you guys know how hard it is for me to not to cook rice? I mean, the first step is me not buying any rice. I don't have it in the house, so I don't have to cook it, or I don't have rice to cook. But it's okay. I still have rice here, but I have not cooked it, which is perfect. So yeah, so what I want to eat for today is just, I think I'm gonna do some vegan thing. You know, my other YouTuber, Jamaica, subscriber, and I subscribe to her channel as well because I love her content. What's her name? Onika. Yeah, she did some what's it called, like a vegan curry chickpea what day up on our channel, and I was like, don't I have chickpea here, and don't I have like tin red peas where I can do that? Because I've like ran out of ideas of like what to cook. And I watch our channel and my sister do the chickpea. I was like, yes, I got an idea. So yeah, girl, may I cook where you cook? Well, I think I'm gonna use the red peas instead of the chickpeas. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the saltfish, and I already have some frozen vegetable in the fridge, so that's what we're having. And I need to just grab some more sweet potato. So that's what I'm gonna cook for dinner tonight and for tomorrow. Yeah, dinner for today and tomorrow. So yeah, we are gonna head out, run the errands, and we're gonna come back. I should be cooking, and then for the rest of today, all the way up until whatever time, I ain't going to my bed until like I am 100% ready. I think for my exam, I'm like a 70% ready, which is high, which is good. So yeah, I want to hurry up. It is moving on. What is 10:20? It's 10:20. We need to get out. So I need to spend like, just call it an hour and a half on the road. Back, come back, and yeah. And then tomorrow, oh, I didn't tell you about tomorrow. So this after my exam tomorrow, well, my friends and I were gonna meet up and we're gonna head to somewhere. So glad after my exam we can de-stress, and we'll have like a 2 weeks break off school. When school start back, I don't even know, y'all, but I'm just super glad. Like, this is my last exam, so I can decompress, de-stress, relax, and just have some drink tomorrow. So let's head out on the road. Oh, let's get into the fit, y'all. I'm wearing this hat. I don't remember what it says. I bought this shirt from someone, a local entrepreneur. Let me see if I can go up further. I don't think you guys can see me. All right, guys, so let's get into the quick fits. So got on our shades here, or a bag, and you guys can't see me, but wearing this white slippers and this jeans. So let's head out of here. We are already starting off the morning in a traffic. It's crazy. This thing is gonna wobble as usual. Packages check. Then yeah, we need to go. We are running behind
Okay, we are done with the roll, thank the Lord. I don't think I'm gonna cook today. I actually bought some rotisserie chicken, so I think I'm gonna have this for lunch slash dinner today. I haven't even had any breakfast yet. That's wild. No, it isn't. That's normal. But anyways, yeah, probably gonna cook my vegan-ish meal for tomorrow instead, tomorrow morning, and have that before I leave, because my exam is at 12:30, so I want to leave out. Oh damn, I'm gonna have to leave out because it's gonna take me so yeah, I'm gonna need to leave out probably like 9:30. I mean, not cook tomorrow. I'm probably just cook this in the week. You know what, we'll figure it out. But yeah, we're gonna head home right now. Be tired, and it's time to study. Alright, so we need to go through the packages that I just picked up. Oh, so the first one, I bought this from Nordstrom. How is it pronounced? Nordstrom. Yeah. I bought the Steve Madden sandals. Like, y'all, as soon as I went on a website and I typed in sandals, no, I typed in Steve Madden sandals, and this thing came up. How much did I pay for it? I don't remember, but I put the price, like, I think it was $30 something. I was like, oh, what? Because you know, normally Steve Madden is like what, 50, 60 something dollars for these, and I was like, I gotta grab it. Anyways, this is it. I bought it in gold. I actually wanted a black, but this was the only thing that they had within the price range that I was looking for, less than $50. But yeah, I am in love with it, and it's 8.5, so it should fit on all that. These are cute. Yeah, definitely gonna wear these. Let me see how it fits. Yep, fits good. It's good. Ooh, it's a little tight at the top, but that's good because I have like narrow feet. Like if you have broad foot or feet, I don't think this will work because right here at the top is so tight. Luckily, I have like a narrow feet. Of course, that would have been a little bit too tight. So the second thing that we bought from Nordstrom is BAM! Water sneakers. I really needed another white sneakers. You see my carnival video, that white sneakers, that was a guest sneakers, and I had it for a couple of years, and after carnival it was just done. Majority of it is like cloth, so to wash that, it just never that work. And it wasn't even white anymore because it was like close to death, that sneaker. So I threw it away after carnival because like it just can't, it never come back. There's no way that would have come back. Anyways, we're back with another white sneakers. Thank God, because I needed one. Like, I have to have a white sneakers. Tommy Hilfiger. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it's reasonable up in my price range. Okay, so it's cute. I haven't tried it on yet. I need to try it on. But we're not gonna try it on now. But yeah, very nice. Very cute. Give it up to Nordstrom. Alright, I think that's it for Nordstrom. I did buy something else, but I don't think it came in this packages. That's weird. I thought I would have gotten it. Let me check if it's here. Oh, I did order something off from Amazon as well. So let's go through that. Let's see. Oh, I don't think the other item that I bought from Nordstrom is here. So we're gonna check the Amazon package. And by the way, there are some clothes here, but I'm not going to do any unbox. I'm not going to be doing any try-ons right now. I am literally starving. This is what. Okay. This is something I got from Shein. Wait a minute. Oh, I think this is for my mom. Let's see, this is my mom. Oh yeah, this is definitely hers. Alright, so this is my mother's package. Oh no, oh, this is the other item from Nordstrom. Okay. I thought I didn't get it. I know what this is. I know what this is, and look what the box did. Look what the box did. And I'm gonna see what it needs. Oh, I need a box cutter, y'all. I'm using a knife. Okay, so this is how it came. They gave me the copy. And this is how it came wrapped up. Well, they have to definitely wrap it up based on what it is. It's a sunglass, y'all. It's a Marc Jacobs sunglass. Ooh, it's in a yellow case. This case is cute. There we go. I'm really liking the case. Ooh. Love in it. Oh, I need to do an unboxing for TikTok because this is cute. Got everything here. Oh, you know what? I think I want to do a thing for TikTok. Oh, I got on the hat. Hold on, I gotta take out the hat and all of that. I really like it. It's cute. It got the thing at the side. There's signature at the side here. Ooh, love it. Tell me how it looks. Oh, let me take these out because I can't even really see it like that. I like it. Very cute. It's definitely not like oversized, which I wanted. I just wanted something just simple and cute. So, I can't remember how much I got this for, y'all, but it was okay. The price was within the price, what it's supposed to be. Okay, big up to Nordstrom. Oh, and it's Nordstrom rack, not Nordstrom. Okay, no, Nordstrom, the regular size is more expensive than a Nordstrom rack. So big up to the rack. Yeah, that's all that we have for the unboxing. I really thought that one of this was my Amazon packages. Oh, the last thing I'm supposed to unbox is my mirror. By the way, when I leased this apartment, it did not come with a mirror in the bathroom, and for a good little while now since I've been here, there's no mirror in the bathroom. So every time I want to look, dress up, blah, I use, you know, the little long mirror that you see in the living room or in the bedroom. So we finally bought a mirror on Amazon. Yay! I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna put it on my storefront, y'all. Buy from my storefront. Just click on the link and then just purchase what you want. You know, when you click on the link, your girl gets a little stipend. Okay? And we're trying to build like a passive income. But yeah, that's all. I'm gonna show you guys the mirror. Should I do the mirror right now? One of my friends supposed to come today to like help me with it, because I'm gonna have to drill in the wall and then hang out the mirror. But I really need a mirror in the bathroom. It's just like too much right now. I have to be back and forth in the room, in the mirror. Like, I want to get dressed in the bathroom too. I want to do my makeup in the bathroom as well as opposed to in the living room. So, or like I said, I really did not want to like make a lot of holes in here because, you know, but we gotta do what we gotta do. All right, let's see how this mirror looks. I hope it's not broken or anything. So this is a mirror we're gonna hang in the bathroom. Hey, I finally got a mirror. Ooh, I finally got a mirror. Bruh,
It's time to eat. It's time to eat. So I got my green bananas, chicken that I bought from the supermarket, and some sweet potato. The food is dry. We know this. I was gonna like mash the banana and the sweet potatoes together, but I can't be bothered. So yeah, this may be weird to y'all. I'm gonna add some mayo and ranch for the banana and the mash. Well, let's go with the mayo. I'm not gonna mash it. I'm just gonna eat it whole. So I ain't got no internet at home. I'm just realizing that, so I'm calling the company right now to figure out what is going on. Before I left at home, before I left here, internet was here, so I'm not sure what's happening. Between the 2 hour time span I wasn't home, what happened to the internet? This is happening way too often. What?
To speak with a live agent, press 1. If you would like...
I currently have no internet.
Okay, so you're experiencing no internet connection. How long have you been experiencing this issue for?
I just realized 20 minutes ago.
20 minutes, okay. More than happy to provide the assistance to apologize for the inconvenience. What's your account number, please?
506.
Within a system based on outage, most definitely. I'm seeing here with a case that you are affected by an outage, and the outage just happened not too long ago, which is about 10:57. Right?
Okay.
I'm going to send over the information.
I'm just super glad I have internet on my phone right now. And I don't need the internet. Well, I wanted the internet to study to look up some more questions online, but that's fine. I can use my phone. You know what? I'm just gonna eat, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat, and then I'm just gonna watch some Netflix on my phone until it's time to study. Your girl is annoyed. I am super annoyed. It's just crazy. Happy Sunday. So we are off to exams right now. Remember I told you guys, like, I'm going out later, so it would have been best if I just get dressed and leave from school to go to the event, but my friends, they won't be there at that time, which is extra early. I don't think it's early, but either way, I decided, you know what, after exam I just come home, hurry and get dressed and then go to the event. So that has totally changed. So I'm basically in just a regular t-shirt and jeans to head to exam. And remember I showed you guys the mirror yesterday. The mirror is up. My friend came yesterday, and my TV is also mounted, even though I was fine with it being on the floor. Okay, I was fine, but he was saying, you know what, why not just hang it up? I was like, okay, make sure when you know it's time for go away, leave yours on, you come take it down. He was like, okay, fine. So I'm gonna spin around the mirror. By the way, I never need my friend for come and help me put up the mirror, because I didn't even remember when I was searching for the mirror on Instagram, right? I said, you know what, in order, I don't want to, I'm telling you this is a rental, like when I want board too much oil. So I said, let me try to find something that's self-adhesive so I can just paste it on the thing. Guys, the mirror is self-adhesive. I just didn't remember. So when he come and when I open it, when he came and then look at the back properly, sparkly and everything. It had the silver diesel thing. I was like, okay, fine, I didn't need you then. I did not need you. So within about a border hole, we just, you know, put it up on the tile. So I'm gonna spit around and show now. And remember the link in my bio, okay? The link is in the bio if you want it. It's not a big mirror because based on the space and the vanity is really small, you can hang it horizontal, vertically, whatever it is. So I'm gonna spin it around and show them. I'm gonna show them my TV that is up on the wall. So this is the mirror. I hung it this way because it made more sense. I could get like a full body fit. Yeah, so link in my bio, y'all, for the mirror. And let me go ahead and show you guys TV, and then we'll get out of here. Pull my TV up. The TV is up, y'all. Yeah, so it's mounted. I can finally sit on. You don't need to dip on the floor. And yeah, we are elevating the space as time goes by. Anyways, we are out of here. I'll see you guys later when I'm back home from exam. Also, I'm all dressed and ready to go to the event. So let me tell you guys about this event. This event is at ROK Hotel that's in downtown Kingston, and they keep like a pop-up event every month and Sunday. So hint, hint, y'all can follow the Instagram page. I'll put the Instagram page there so y'all can see it. Oh, by the way, my exams, I'm not 100% confident, but I'm a little bit confident. I think I did well, but not good enough. So we're keeping our fingers crossed. Hopefully, you know, it worked out and I passed and all that nonsense. Anyways, let's get into the cute fit, y'all. We're in this cute little long backless dress with my open back showing. Love it. This is from Shein, and I have on my Steve Madden gold slippers here. I have my brown little purse that I always bring around, my errands purse, Coach bag, so that's what we're working with, and there's my shades here. We are ready to go, and we're gonna have so much fun. After ROK, I am going to, this is the weekend, y'all. This is Sunday evening, so y'all know the routine. Going to I Love Soul Sunday and possibly Rebase. No, I possibly, more than likely, I'm not gonna show under that because in the city for probably 2 nights straight now, 2 weeks straight, 2 vlogs ago, I should say. So yeah, but I may give you guys a snippet again. But yeah, we are ready, baby. This fits so perfect. Later.
They're coming to you. Yeah? Get ready. So this is a 2-legged race, right? They're gonna come to you. So they're gonna put a basket on their head and they'll run to you. Alright? And the basket not to drop off. Okay? When they get the basket from you, you're gonna do a math quiz right behind you.
The wind gonna blow it off.
How we get ready, what?
The wind not gonna blow off the basket.
You're gonna do a quick math quiz right behind you. And then when you finish, you're gonna run run down there for the other baskets and come back up. So who first win? Who first come back win? You know what I mean? So they're coming to you first.
Some of the balance it for me, like
Balance.
they never drop off.
It not fit drop off. You dance the dance for the song. It's not the daggering, it's the dance for the song. When the song plays, no, jump like a kid.
So just left ROK. It was fun, y'all. If you wanted us to go somewhere to just chill and probably win like a free giveaway, you should go ahead and do that. They always give giveaway. So today's giveaway was a weekend at a Trinidad hotel for 2 nights.
yep, and I gave away little other prizes. So it's definitely a good vibe to hang out and all of that. So I'm asked I love souls now, so I catch you guys more than likely in the week, and I hope you guys enjoy this weekend vlog. Remember to subscribe, y'all. I don't say that, and I think I need to start saying that because I see a lot of new comments, 1 and 2 new comments, but I don't see the numbers going up. So y'all subscribe. I will, yeah, we'll tune in sometime later.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. My house clean. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing, in the west wing of this mansion.
There's no house without a home.
In these arms, I'ma leave the door so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. If you're hungry,
And I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you're hurting me. I let you go with a different. What you see?